Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone by J.K. Rowling. Joanne Kathleen Rowling is a British author, best known for writing the Harry Potter series, one of the most successful and influential book series in history. Harry Potter was a fictional series about a kid and his journeys. I found that the story not only introduces readers to a magical world, but also offers important themes that are relatable to real life. One of the most significant theme is the power of friendship. Harry, Ron, and Hermione's bond is central to the story, or central power of friendship, showing that true friends stand by each other when in difficult times. This is something many students can relate to, as friendships often help us navigate our own challenges. Another takeaway is the theme of courage. Harry faced with numerous obstacles and unknown dangers, yet he continues to face them with bravery. This resonates with students who are often challenged to step out of their comfort zones, whether it's in academic, sports, or social situations. Lastly, the world of Hogwarts, with its magical creatures and mysteries, sparks the imagination. It reminds us the importance of creativity and believing in possibilities beyond the ordinary. The key moral theme is the importance of choices and the nature of good versus evil. Harry, as an orphan raised by neglectful relatives, learns that his true worth comes from his decisions rather than his background. The friendship Harry forms with Ron and Hermione highlight loyalty and bravery, reinforcing the moral that love and friendship can triumph over adversity. Overall, the story teaches us that moral integrity and the choices we make define our character and destiny.